going on, everybody? It's your boy K1K back in this thing for another episode. And as you guys saw in the description, we're going to be heading to our local Cycle Gear bike night. Happens once a month, every Tuesday here. So at least until the weather starts getting disrespectful. But gonna ride out with some other TRP bikes and stuff, and a couple other friends that's gonna link up, leave from the shop and head over there and just hang out, have a good time, and support, you know, our local Cycle Gear. A bunch of good folks that work there. They always take care of us, and we sure appreciate them, man. Cycle Gear is one of my favorite places to shop, and I'm sure if you're watching this, you guys have heard of it. If you're in the United States, I don't think they operate in other countries, but Cycle Gear is pretty dope. They're good with price matching, all that sort of things, and some of their own brand products are decent. I used to use like Trackside, which is their stuff, stands and everything, when I had my ZX10R and everything, but you know, pretty decent. And some of their like track thermals underneath are pretty decent too. Use them, so shout out to him. And that's pretty much it, man. But we're gonna link up with the guys at the shop, and next time you guys come back, we'll be headed to Cycle Gear, so stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? We back. You can see we got a couple bikes here. We're missing a few, but they're gonna link up with us when we get to the meet. Had to go and wait for John to finish tuning the 3rd gen booster, so we about to head out right now, see what they talking about up here. All right. You see people got a couple gap cams on. Please don't get me, y'all. I'm just trying to go to bike night, baby. I ain't trying to get gapped. I ain't trying to get gapped. You can see we back out with the usual suspects: Valmozilla Boost Bandit, War Machine Booster, and Track Ready Performance John. We got a couple others that's gonna meet us up there. Loaded Jixer is there, and we have another dude on the 3rd gen ZX10. I gotta get his IG handle actually, so more to follow on that. But talking with the bruvs and the fellas about what's next for Aria, and I'm kind of undecided a little bit on what I want to do next. My heart's telling me, man, just get some wheels, but at the same time there's a little more things I can do, so I might do some other things first and then get the wheels last. Not sure. Still on steel bearings, so I could always do ceramics, you know, lots of titanium stuff I could put on, carbon fiber subframe. I mean, there's quite a bit of stuff. So we'll see. I mean, decisions. But here we are, pulling up. Ooh, it's kind of whack. I ain't gonna lie. Dang, we like over an hour late, so I kind of expected a little more, but it's all good. We're leaving bike night, and we're getting ready to go get some gas, and then we are going to do a quick little ride, I guess, towards the crib, and that's about it, man. That'll probably go ahead and polish off the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, you can see that it's not a real big turnout or whatever. It's never usually that big. When Power Sports used to be open, they had some really nice ones. I don't think they did them monthly though, if I don't remember, but they had, I mean, there was lots of people there. That was, you know, comparable to some of the bigger city ones that you guys are used to seeing. Well, I'm on a 42 sprocket now in the rear. I haven't ran a 1640 at all yet with this swing arm, so I don't know how it's gonna react. Well, actually, I never run a 1640 at all, so we'll see what it does. I feel like I'm kind of losing too much on top, but honestly, I think the 41 might be good for me. So I kind of want to go ahead and get the research down, so that way I know for a fact before I go ahead and say, yeah, the 41 is the best for me. So we'll see. But John, my tuner, is also running a 40 right now too for testing, so we'll kind of see, you know, how that goes. I think he had a 42 before, so you know, kind of skipped the 41 thing, and I don't know if he's ever tried one, so we'll see. Go ahead and tighten up the steering damper real quick, just in case. Well, I started slightly ahead of them, but yeah, John ended up catching up pretty much right at the end, ran out of gear, and you can see bruv caught me too, so man, I'm worried about if I'm gonna go to 41 or not. Before, I felt like the 41 was performing a little different. Yeah, so we'll see. Not sure how much I got him by, but I let off and he was right there, so I don't think I was that far in front. It's due to lightweight, so I don't know. You too? R1 versus S1K? I can't tell if he's catching. He on a 42. God dang, boy. I think I'm gonna go back to 41. For some weird reason, I felt like it was performing better, man. So I think I'm gonna go back to the 41 and leave it. Go back to 41 tooth and see, get some more runs and see how that goes. Cause I don't feel like I feel like I got a little slower, man. I think I can't hack it with a 42 being this big, man. But this is why we go out and test, man, so we know. But pretty sure I got the answer that I was looking for. So we'll go back to 41 too when I get to the crib, and we'll reset, try it again. So putting that 41 on that baby. He get out on me now. Jeez, dude. Hey, I'm gonna blame it on the BST wheels in the front. Nah, good runs though. Good runs, good runs, good runs. Alright, y'all, well, just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Looks like we're about to go ahead and call it. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to y'all boy. I appreciate all the love and support, you guys. You have a blessed one. Take it easy.